All right, howdy folks. So I am home from work, and I don't know if you can see behind me, but we got some stuff going on over here. We got a cabinet out over here. So that one we already said was trash, right? But what I need to do is get into the shop and actually start going through some toolboxes. So we do have a video coming out for the laundry room. So this one will probably be out before that. So let's go grab some tools. Alright, so I got toolbox there, toolbox here, toolbox there, a whole bunch of other stuff. So tools, which I need to go through all this stuff to see what I'm keeping and what I'm tossing.
Bag.
Alright, so ultimately you can see I have just a bit everything to wood blocks, baggies, locks for a pistol, tools, just all kinds of stuff. And you open this up, right, the drawers are, that one's fairly empty. Sunglass cleaners or glass cleaners, adapter plug, cable or wire, right? And then now there's nothing in there. Look, I think the majority of this toolbox is just junk on the top. I've been actually looking for this ruler for a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one cleared out, and then I'm gonna start going through some of the other tools to actually put into this toolbox. That way I can get stuff cleaned up. So yeah, little one's playing. You can probably hear her in the background. But let's go ahead and let's go get a trash can. Alright, so I got my trash can over here. And then some of this stuff like this that I know is still good, but it is really old, that I'm not going to be using this for a very long time, more likely. And I know that whenever it comes time to where I do need to use this, I'm just going to go buy some new ones. So toss that, tools, even though they're cheap, good, right? I really don't need that. Yeah, I don't even know what that goes to. Trash. Tools, put off to the side. Stuff that's brand new like this, little hardware, I'm probably going to hold on to this. Hooks, great for putting in the shop. And it's brand new, but we'll see. Cause you can see I love holding on to hardware. Trash. Now some of these are more like brand new. Yeah, I'll probably hold on to a couple of those. Hooks or drywall anchors. A bag for sunglasses. Yeah, don't need that. This is probably still good. I'll hold on to that one. Now this is more like an adapter. So I forgot what these went to, but I'll probably still hold on to those. Little plug. Yeah, don't need that. Wood. Sharpie. I don't even know, does this even work? I can't even open it. No, trash. Easy go. So this is an adapter. Right, this is more for the UK, Europe, Americas, just basically whatever you needed it for. Am I ever going to use this again? No. Screws. Like holding on to hardware. Bags. Yeah, so some of these things I'm going to hold on to. Obviously, tools. But then, so right now I'm just kind of doing just a quick thing, kind of going through this. And then once I have of my potential keeps, I'll go through it again. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and set y'all off to the side. We'll do a quick montage of a time lapse, just going through some of this stuff, and then we'll come back to you once I get a load of keeps, possible keeps.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together.
Alright, so there's real quick, just got separated out. These are tools. The reason why I set these kind of separate, because I believe these are actually bolts that we've been looking for the Jeep. So I'm not going to hold on to these, set these over here on the table. And then I got some buckets down here, so I'm going to go ahead and put tools into a bucket, hardware into another, and then we'll go through this stuff separately. Obviously tools, most tools I'm keeping. Most hardware, probably not, but I'm still going to comb through some of that because I do want to keep some of it. If not, I don't know. We'll see. Alright, let's go get another toolbox.
Which way?
Doesn't matter, I can turn it up there. Thank you.
Ew.
Thank you. Bigger toolbox means more junk. So let's see what we got.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me.
Alright, so I got this one emptied out. I'm not going to say that they're clean, they're emptied, because I haven't cleaned that one yet either. They're just emptied. But so far I've been putting tools here, I got hardware over here. So yeah, for the most part, I'm going to be going through. Like I said, a lot of this stuff is going to end up being trash. But my dad rocks. My dad rocks. Yep, that was a gift from the kiddo back in the day. But yeah, so let's go ahead and throw this in the bucket, and we'll get these cleaned out, and then I'm gonna start sorting the tools. We'll do this stuff another day. All right, so in here is actually my big toolbox, but I'm gonna have to go through this one at another date. So obviously I got screwdrivers, hammers, different junk that's in there. These are like a plier drawer, different stuff. And then I have all of my sockets and wrenches. So at one point I'd had all this stuff separated between metric, between standard, the imperial, all that stuff. So what I am going to do is that black toolbox over there is what's going to be these tools. Basically anything wrenches, sockets, and such. I'm going to be putting this into that toolbox. So I'm going to go ahead and do this off camera. I don't think you guys want to watch that, but I'm just letting you know that's what's going to happen. And then this one, some more miscellaneous type stuff. So I do want to, eventually this toolbox is going to be empty whenever we move it, because I've tried moving it with stuff in it and it is just too heavy. So all of this stuff eventually is going to get boxed up. All right. But yeah, tools. Got my Beardo. So yes, this knife is made with my beard hair. So that's why it's called the Beardo. And yeah, so that's the last toolbox that I need to get done. I got these somewhat cleaned out, and I'm gonna go ahead and start moving tools over. So I didn't wipe them out, but I did vacuum them out. But so yeah, this is just gonna be one of those quick videos of just letting you guys know that we are getting it cleaned up. We're getting ready. We're getting the house ready to sell. We're doing all those steps, all those little things, those little tedious things that really need to get done. Make sure you're sharing this out to your friends. Give us that thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. We are still a long ways away from our watch hour goal that we need to get monetized. But we do have Bonfire. That link is going to be down in the description. I also pinned that to the top comment. Go check out, see what we got. Right now it's only a few shirts. We will be getting our own hats eventually. This is now my daily wear. And yeah, it's all that good stuff. You'll also see we have ISO tunes down in the description. 100% of all those proceeds gets donated right back into the autism community. That's one thing that we're very passionate about. All right. I can go on and on and on and on, and we can be out here all day, all night. But yeah, I still work a full-time job and then come out here and I do this whenever I get home up until dinner time. So trying to get this done. All right. But we'll see y'all on the next one. Bye-bye now.
We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.